Hi everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play. So in this video, we're going to talk about
Table of 4 Math Tricks by Lina Jean 2023.
So in this project, we will learn about table of 4,
Counting method,
multiply method, and
math fun.
math fun. Counting by 4 up to 40 would be what? So Lina gonna show you guys. And let's see if she knows or she needs help. We can help her in the middle too. So 4
and then
times
8.
2.
It's 8. It's 4 plus 4 equals 8, right? 4 plus 4 plus 4, that's 8 plus 4 equals 12.
12. So 12.
And then it equals 18.
No.
I mean 16.
16.
And at the end, I'm going to show you a little trick so how you remember. There's a pattern.
Yeah, so 16 plus 4?
20.
20 plus 4?
Easy, 24.
24 plus 4?
28.
28 plus 4? 28.
30.
28.
Oh. Now it's 32.
32. 32 plus 4?
36.
Yeah.
And then 40.
Yes, 36 plus 4 is 40. Good. Good job. Move to the next slide. Okay, let's see. So multiply by 4 in equation. So 4 times 1 equal to?
Wait. 4.
4 times 2 equal to?
8.
4 times 3 equal to?
12.
4 times 4 equal to?
18.
No, add.
16.
Okay, 16.
16.
4 times 4, 5 equal to? 4 times 6 equal to?
24.
4 times 7 equal to? 28. Okay, 4 times 8 equal to? Yeah, 4 times 8 equal to?
32.
4 times 9 equal to?
36.
Yes.
And then 40.
Yeah. Good job, Lina. Let's move to the next slide. See. So multiply by 4.
And this time we have a song.
We have a song.
Well, we don't have to do that.
Yes, so Lina gonna play piano and I'm gonna sing a song. Okay, let's see. Ready? 4, 8, 12, 16. Multiplying by 4 is really keen. 20, 24 and so much more. Table of 4, let's explore. One more time? Let's do one more time.
Yeah.
Okay.
3,
4,
2, 1, go.
4, 8, 12, 16. Multiplying by 4 is really keen. 20, 24 and so much more. Table of 4, let's explore. Okay. Let's move to the next slide. Good job, Lina. I like your...
Because every time you say a word, I play
wrong side. Good. So, what is it, Lina? Name 4 directions. What are the 4 directions?
north, south, east, and west.
What else?
Can you go first?
So, can you name 4 seasons?
That is summer.
You tell me. Don't look.
Okay, spring,
Mm-hmm.
fall, summer, and winter.
So, summer, winter, fall, and
Winter. Oh wait, I mean spring.
spring.
Summer. Wait, what is it? Summer, fall, summer, and winter.
I like summer. Which
I
one
like
you
fall. That's when
I
my
like all the
birthday.
directions.
That's what fall is my birthday.
Oh, yeah, September. Name 4 essential elements. So, what are the things, 4 things that we can't survive without?
Earth, air, water, and fire, and that's the things that we need to survive with.
Yeah. So, you had a question. How come fire? We need fire. So, what
Before
do you
we started.
need? Yeah.
Wait, but you also need food.
Yeah. So, fire.
That's what Earth means.
Why we need fire, Nina? To cook the food.
Yeah.
And also in the
Then
body.
And then we're going to be frozen.
Yeah, if there is no fire, then we're gonna be frozen like a rock. Okay, next slide. Fun fact about 4. So we came up with one interesting fact. Is like in Chinese culture, the number 4 is what, Lina?
Unlucky.
Why?
Because it's like C. That means for death.
Yeah. So there is a in Chinese the character of 4 is written as C, and which it means death. So that's why they don't like
and let's
that
read
number.
this.
Yeah. We can read this one too.
No, first this.
So it is also associated with death because pronunciation of the number 4 in Chinese is similar to the word for death.
Yeah.
And what else, Lina?
Due to this
association,
you may find that in some Chinese speaking regions, buildings
or floors
might skip the number 4 in numbering. So like it would be 1, like in a hotel if you're going to India
or China.
I mean China. Then it would be 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8,
yeah, they
9,
skip 4,
10,
right?
11, 12. And then in the
English culture or Indian culture is number 13 is Allah.
Yeah. So they would be like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
Good. So number 4 in Chinese culture is unlucky.
Yeah.
That's good to know. Let's move to the next slide. So math tricks. Let's see. What are the tricks here? So I see here boxes. What are we going to do in this box?
What is 4 times?
So we're going to fill
So
out.
we're going to answer these questions.
Yeah.
Like we did on the table 3 and table 2.
Yeah.
If you didn't watch them, you could watch them.
And this really helps you guys to remember the tables.
Yeah, but in the next one, it's going to be super easy.
Okay, let's focus on this one first. So 4 times 3. What is 4 times 3?
4 times 3.
4 times 3.
12.
Yes. So where is the place for 12?
It's the third place.
Okay.
I'm not going to write it.
Yeah, it's
because it's just going to be.
Okay.
Now we
have to go back, please. Yeah.
No, let's do this.
You wanna do the song first? Then we're gonna do that.
Okay.
So there is another song again. Lina is in piano and mommy is singing.
Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna do for every time piano. She's gonna do singing.
So we can do it 2 times, Lina. Okay.
3, 2, 1.
Table of 4. Table. Let's start it again.
2.
Table of 4, we're gonna rock. Multiplication around the clock. 4 times 8, it's a piece of cake. Learning math, let's celebrate. Let's do again. Table of 4, we're gonna rock. Multiplication around the clock. 4 times 8, it's a piece of cake. Learning math, let's celebrate. Good. So now, let's answer that question. What is the product of 4 times 8?
So I'm going to do the other questions so then we could like make our mind up.
Yeah, but what is 4 times 8?
So it's the third last, right? But the
So
last one.
Do you know what is this here?
40.
And
And
this
then
one?
it's 36,
And then there.
32.
Okay.
So
Good.
it's 32.
Good. See, you know. So what is the first number in the
Ha!
table of 4?
Easy, you're saying it.
Number 4. Exactly. So what is the last number in the table of 4?
Ha! Easy, it's 40.
It's a piece of cake. So what is the product of 4 times 5? It's hard.
No, it's easy.
What is it?
That one was the easiest one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's one. And by the way,
Yes.
these are one of the easiest ones. The 4, this one, and the 40.
Okay.
That could help you. If this one you're stuck on, then you can
Okay.
help life.
Good. So what is 4 times 5?
4 times 5. It would be equaling 20.
Yeah. Where it go?
Right here.
You're right. So now product of 4 times 4.
So that is right here.
What is the number?
16.
Good. What is the next number in the table of 4 after 32? What is
It's
it?
30.
Good.
I already knew that. I was just saying.
What is the 4 times 7?
4 times 7?
I think you don't know.
Wait, this is 4 times 6, right?
This is 4 times 8. This is 4 times 9.
So that one's 4 times 6.
4 times 7 here.
Okay.
What will come here?
I'm gonna need some help by the
Nice
20.
thinking.
I need help by the 20. So
Okay.
this one is 30. I
No,
mean 20
plus 4 is
24. This one
24
is
plus 4.
20.
24
8.
plus, 28. Good.
20.
Good. We're gonna sing another
Song.
song. So again,
Do you think I'm this top?
piano
No.
and mommy's coming. I try my best.
3,
Okay, ready?
2, 1, go.
20, 32, 36 and 40. Let's explore. Multiplying by 4 we'll learn even more. Math is fun, it's quite a feat. Learning the table, oh how sweet. Let's do it again.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
32, 36 and 40, let's explore. Multiplying by 4 we'll learn even more. Math is fun, it's quite a feat. Learning the table, oh how sweet. Okay. So you already answered what is 4 times 7? So 20 plus 4?
That is 20. Oh, 28.
Okay, good. Correcto. Next. Okay, so what is before 28?
28. Ha! Easy, we just said it. 24.
Good.
Oh, I know.
Missing.
I
Who's
know.
missing here?
It's 8.
Oh, poor 8.
Another song.
So this is gonna be our last song?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's do it. Ready? Okay, you can sit in here.
Yeah.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, go.
20, 24 and 28. Let's set the stage. Multiplying by 4 will turn the pace. 20, 24 and 28. Let's count and explore. Multiplying by 4 will open new door. Good. Okay, let's move to the next slide. So what is the sum of all these numbers in the
I
table
know,
for
but
four?
I'm not gonna tell you. Can I tell her?
No. We'll see.
Okay.
So remember last time also we did this tricks.
Yeah.
So how we gonna do this time? Just to reminder.
But this time we put it like this. So then we
Yeah,
don't have
it's
to put
easy.
it.
Okay, so how can we do
So
that?
we're gonna just put
How
it right
can
here.
find the sum of these all numbers?
Mm-hmm.
Let's do it, Lena.
So we are going to do this one. We already circle.
Yeah.
And then 36 plus 4
Yeah.
equals 40.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to circle this.
So last two and first two number.
And now you
equal
say
to?
this one.
So 32 plus 8.
Equals.
Can you make it like this, Lena? Okay. 40.
Equals 40.
Yeah. Now can you do like this? Can I see?
I'll do it.
Yeah. So 28 plus 12. You can turn. Yeah. 40. So now can you put it on up?
Yeah.
So 16 plus 24. 40. Yeah, you can do that. Yeah.
4
Can I have? So number 20
is the
is
last.
left. So we can just write. So
Yeah,
you
I'm
have
not circling.
40 plus 40 plus.
No, we could do it here. We could do it
Yeah,
here.
there you go.
Just put that.
So how many 40s you have there?
You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Yeah, this one is not showing. Can we do like this? There you go. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. So 5, 40 plus.
40 plus 40.
So for 5 times 40. Can you do it? 5 times. Can you please show us?
I don't
how can you
know.
do? That's
don't
okay.
know.
You're gonna do it.
5.
40 times
40
5.
times 5.
Mhm.
Right?
5.
5 equals
What? So 5 times 0?
5 times 0
Mhm.
equals 0.
0. And 4 times 5?
Equals 20.
20. So there you go. You know.
No.
20.
But
Not 2.
now,
You write only 2. 4 times.
no. This is 20.
No. So 5 times 0 is 0.
Yeah.
And then 5 times 4 is 20, not
Oh,
2.
oh. 20.
So how much you got?
200.
And then,
But plus 20. That's easy.
yeah.
It equals 220.
So sum of this number is and 20. Good. Let's move to the next slide.
Do it.
There you go. Oh, we're done. Good job, Lina. High
But
five.
now, it's time.
Lina wants
for
to
a
show you something.
surprise.
You
I'm
can
gonna
go
take
to
it
the
out.
camera and show.
I'm going to take it out first.
Thank you for watching. Good job. I'm gonna play piano.
Okay, so it is foam.
It's a sensory play.
Yeah, I got it just today.
Okay, good job, Lina. Thank you for watching. See you next time.
Bye.